Hi, Aura. Hi. You're so cute. You're so cute. Are you cute, Buckbeak? You down there being cute? You're throwing the balls around? Hi. And Hedwig is so cute too. Hedwig. Hi. Hi. You cute baby? Yeah. And who else is cute? Mr. Turkey is cute. Hey. Hi, Turkey. Hi. And then there's Pearl, who's cute. Hi, baby. Oh, and Arnie likes to make kissy face noises. Yeah, I love you, Arnie. You giving kisses to Pearl? I love you. Giving kisses to Pearl. She doesn't want any. And then there's Chicken. And Chicken gives kissies. Hi, Chicken. Kissy, kissy. Hi. You giving kissies? And you're blurry. Hi. And there's Buzzard. Hi, Buzzard. And Pikachu over there. Hi, Pikachu. Hi, Chicken. Chicken kissies. Is that good, Buzzard? Mineral bar? Good girl. Good girl. Getting your calcium? Yeah. Who said peekaboo? Arnie said peekaboo? Hi, Pearl. Who else says peekaboo? Buckbeak? Or Aura? Does Aura say peekaboo? And does Hedwig say peekaboo? Hedwig! He's so cute.